Hi there, Sam here, and today we're excited to introduce Instant MCP. With the Instant MCP, you can connect AI tools like Claude Desktop and Claude Code directly to Instant to allow them to build new layouts, make edits, and control the Instant Builder through natural language. So let's dive in. First, inside Instant, let's open up the project settings and navigate right here to the access tokens. And here we can create a new token. So let's do that and name this one Claude Desktop, since that's what we'll be connecting today. Let's edit, and here we have a few tokens. Now let's copy this token right here, the Claude Desktop one-line install. Let's copy it. Now let's open up our terminal and paste it in. And there we have it. The connection has been established. And the setup will return a few final instructions. And in this case, we simply need to restart Claude Desktop so it can detect the new MCP server. So here we have Claude Desktop. Let's quit this application. And then we open it up again. And there we have it. The connection has now been established. And let's try a simple prompt, which is create a landing page with Instant for my protein product. And let's run it. Even with a simple request like this, Claude can communicate directly with Instant through the MCP. And now it will continue to execute this task by making several tool calls to gather the context, as you can see right here. When we switch back to Instant, we can see that a new AI chat has been started right here, and the AI, Instant AI, is currently executing the prompt that we have sent from Claude. And a minute later, we can see that Claude has executed the task, and we can preview what it has built right here. So let's click on this link. It will open the Instant Builder, and here we can find the page it has just created. And as you can see, it's a beautiful looking landing page. Of course, it's super simple. Our prompt was also very, very simple. But this is just to illustrate the point that right now with the Instant MCP, you can use any other tool like Claude Desktop, Claude Code, Cursor, or anything else to control Instant. And we hope that the Instant MCP becomes a valuable part of your workflow and helps you get high converting pages live even faster. So thanks a lot for watching this tutorial, and stay tuned for more product updates.